Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today's video is going to be definitely different from all the other ones. My other videos are either lookbooks or makeup, which I don't really have that many videos. Who am I kidding? But anyways, I thought I'd try something new. I got this idea to make an outfit from Walmart for, let's see, under $15. So what I'm gonna do is actually create this outfit, but it's gonna be like kind of like a DIY. Yeah, that's what we'll call it. We'll call it a DIY. So what I did is I got a few things from Walmart, and I really hope these shorts fit because I want to take them back, and they were $3. So I mean, come on now. $3. Okay, so I got these to go with my outfit. Here they are. I really like the button detail. I like the 3 buttons. They are functional, thank the Lord. And here is the back. They are actually rolled over. I don't think I'm gonna keep them that way. I may change it so they won't be so short, but we'll see. But like I said, they were $3. Couldn't pass it up. I got these in a size 13. I usually wear a size 6 or 8, but you know how Walmart is, and I have a booty, so I just hope to goodness these work. And they were also in the junior section, so we'll see. Also, I got this shirt from the men's section, and this is what we're gonna be DIYing today. I don't know if that's a word, but it's gonna be a word. But I don't know why I got this hanger either, because I hate them. I hate them. Anyways, I got this shirt in the men's section, and I just really like the pattern on it. And in my opinion, you could probably actually reverse it because it's lighter on the outside, but on the inside it's darker. So let me put that inside out. I mean, look at that. I really just like the color, but second thought, I'm just kidding because the tag's printed on the back. Just kidding, ignore that. So what I'm gonna do is probably, I know this is gonna be super long. What I think I'm gonna do is crop it and do a cutout and do something different with the sleeves. So I'm so excited. This was one of my ideas. Let me see if I can find it. This was my idea. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see it. Yep. So I really like the cutout on this top, but I want to make it crop, of course. And I kind of feel like I want to off the shoulder. I'm not really sure yet, but we'll see. So I'm gonna try this stuff on, show you what it looks like, and then get started with this DIY. Oh, and just in case, I don't think it'll fray or anything, but I also got this. It's a fray check. It stops fraying on fabric. I mean, it is t-shirt fabric, but you never know. You never know. I'll probably just leave it alone, but may need it for another project. I don't know. It wasn't expensive. I got it at Walmart, so let's try this stuff on and see what happens. Alright, so look what fits, you guys. These shorts, they fit so well. Let me fix that zipper. They fit so well. I'm so excited about these. I mean, look at this. Just look. And they were only $3. I mean, are you kidding me? And this shirt, just a normal t-shirt. It's pretty long. It's actually kind of tight around my booty because, like I told you, I've got one, so no secrets there. But as you can tell, the shirt is super long. And I am probably going to crop it and do a cutout here. I'm probably going to measure it with the tape measure, obviously. And yeah, we'll take it from there. And I'm thinking on the sleeves, I think I want to either go shorter, like maybe right here. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think I might do shorter, or I could do like off the shoulder. I don't know. Let's ignore my hair there. I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go. So let's get started and see what happens. Alrighty, so yes, my head's probably cut off, but the point is we're looking at right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is figure out where I want this cutout to be. So I'm thinking probably about right here. So right there. How many inches is that? It's about 5 inches down. Maybe I'll do 4.5. 4.5 will work. Okay, so I'm gonna measure 4.5 inches down from the neck, make a spot, and start cutting. And I think I want it to be, probably start about right here. Maybe about right here. So yeah, that's probably, that's like 5 inches as well. Whatever. We'll see when the shirt's on the floor. Alright, when I tell you trying to sit this phone somewhere has been a struggle, the struggle has been real, let me tell you. Okay, but anyways, so for y'all's sake, I'm just gonna speed this section up because I don't talk a lot and might as well. You'll be able to tell what I'm doing. It's not rocket science, okay? Oh, and I forgot to say that the men's shirt was a size small. My bad. So, back to the video. So far, so good. I like this cutout. I'm happy with it. Not too low, not too high. Looks perfectly fine. So now all I gotta do is figure out where I want to crop this. And I'm thinking possibly like right here. But I want to be able to tie it as well. So I think I'm just gonna crop right there. Yep. That's what I'm gonna do. So this is probably, let's see. This is hard to do, y'all. I don't have a camera, so therefore I cannot put it on the tripod. The struggle be real. So I'm trying to do this by myself. So I'm thinking it hits about at between 9 and 10 inches. So let us see what we can do. Alright folks, so what do you think? What do you think? This outfit for pretty much, heck, I'd say $11 because I didn't even use that fray stuff that I bought to keep the edges from fraying because I think it will be fine. I mean, then again, I don't know, maybe I should. Liquid seam sealant. There we go. There we go. That's what that was. Okay. So maybe I should try that. I don't know. But I think this is a pretty darn cute outfit for pretty much $12. So, girl, no, it was $9. Why do you keep $9? Not 12, not 11, but 9. What y'all think? I think it looks pretty cute. I'm feeling it. My first time doing something like this. Well, on a video, I've tried to do DIY before, but it didn't exactly work out the way I wanted it to. So, but I really like the way this came out. This is super cute, and I really like it. So, if you want to see more videos like this, just keep watching, stay tuned, and I will catch you next time. But you never know. I might hit you up with a DIY. I might hit you up with a lookbook. I don't know. I'll make it a surprise. But I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, one more thing. I went ahead and turned the light on, but I forgot to tell you guys. One more thing. I was thinking about cutting the sleeves shorter, but you know, I've got wide shoulders. So the best thing to do is to make the sleeves in line with the smallest part of your body, not the widest part of your body. So I figured it would be perfectly fine right there, and it wouldn't make them look any wider than they already are. So I just had to come back and tell you that. But now I'm gone this time. For real. For real. I mean, like, for real. This time.